Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share with you 5 ingredients to add into your holiday drinks. It's super festive, they're super warm and feel good ingredients, but the best part is they are super healthy. They have so many health benefits. And yeah, I'm just really excited for you all to incorporate these into your holiday drinks for yourselves, for your family, for your friends. So let's get right into it. All right, so the first ingredient that I want to talk about is cacao. Now, cacao is so high in antioxidants. It's so yummy. It's where chocolate comes from. It's obviously the main ingredient in hot chocolate. So what better way to make a healthy hot chocolate than from using cacao itself? Now, the reason I'm saying this is because most people buy cocoa. Cocoa and cacao are very different. So cocoa comes from cacao, but the difference with cocoa is it's been processed, it has added sugars and flavors, and typically the cocoa packets that you get in your local grocery store have those added flavors and processing to it. So my suggestion is just taking the raw form of cacao, C-A-C-A-O, and adding that to your hot chocolate to make hot chocolate. And then for sweetener, just using a couple drops of monk fruit, honey, or organic coconut sugar, whatever it is, but using cacao is definitely a better option than the conventional cocoa. All you do is take your cacao take your cacao powder and add it to any plant-based milk. You can use water. I personally like mine creamier, so I like adding it with oat milk or almond milk, but oat milk is my preference. And take a frother and just froth it up. That way it mixes super, super well. For sweetener, you can always use monk fruit, you can use coconut sugar, you can use honey. I personally don't like honey in my hot chocolate, so I like to do a couple drops of monk fruit. It is so sweet. All right, the next ingredient that I want to share with you is one of my favorites, and that is cardamom. I personally prefer green cardamom, but whatever one is great. So this is a great ingredient because it's super warm. Typically when I have chai, I add cardamom in the in the colder months. It just feels really good. Also, the health benefit to cardamom is it is microbial. Now, long story short, microbial is a property that's found in foods that basically just means that food's capability of slowing down the spread of microorganisms is higher than other foods. So think of bacteria, viruses, things that we don't want in our body and that we don't want to, if it does come into our body, we don't want it to spread as fast. Now, in terms of how to actually consume cardamom, all you have to do is boil some water with some cardamom in it for 10 to 15 minutes. And then strain out the cardamom, pour it in a mug, and add some dairy-free milk if you want it to be more creamier. And then for sweetener, again, monk fruit, organic coconut sugar, honey, whatever the case is. And then you can also mix the ingredients that I'm about to share with you to this and have yourself a nice chai. Honestly, every single ingredient that I'm sharing with you besides cacao, you can put together in one drink and make yourself a very nice chai, traditional Indian chai. It has all of these ingredients, and then you can obviously add ginger. I love ginger in my chai. It just tastes 10 times better. All right, the next ingredients I'm gonna share with you is cloves. Cloves is, again, a really great warm spice. It's something that's found in chai, warm drinks. I think it's perfect for the holiday season. And in terms of how you actually drink it or consume it, again, boil it in water for 10 to 15 minutes and use that water and put it into a mug, and then add your dairy-free milk, and then you'll get that clove essence into that drink. And again, adding cardamom to that would just add to the flavor and add to the health benefits. Now, the main health benefit in cloves is it helps keep your blood pressure in check. So we're eating a lot during the holiday season, and it might not be the healthiest, and there might be some processed foods within that scheme of foods that you're eating. So having this drink after a meal, maybe waiting 30 or 45 minutes after your meal and having this nice warm drink is not only satisfying, but it's helping regulate your blood pressure. All right, the next ingredient that I think that everyone should be adding to their holiday drinks is star anise. Star anise to me is one of my favorite things. I mean, I didn't even know what it was called in English until recently, until I had to make this video. But yeah, it's another ingredient that's found in chai, and the really great health benefit to star anise is it helps in digestion and it also helps in your respiratory health. So again, with flu season amidst us and with everything happening, it only makes sense to add ingredients into your drinks that doesn't just taste good, but actually will help you fight off certain things. So with star anise, if you've had a heavy meal, it helps in digestion. It really helps if you have like a stomach ache or you feel like your stomach's a little uneasy. All right, the last ingredient that I think everyone should be adding in their drinks is cinnamon. Now, cinnamon is one of my favorite spices in the world. It's so delicious, it's spicy, it's yummy, it's festive. But then the best part about cinnamon is there's so many health benefits to it as well. It also regulates your blood pressure. It's a great thing to add into your hot chocolate if you want to, kind of spruce it up a little bit. It's a great thing to add in your chai. It's a great topper if you're having any drink and let's say you have whipped cream on top or you don't and you just add like a sprinkle of cinnamon. It makes it look festive, and then on top of that, it's healthy. So it's a win-win situation. So that is all that I have for you all today. I hope that you were able to see these 5 ingredients and kind of think on your own where you can add it in your holiday drinks. If you liked this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.